Welcome to PracticeMate. This is a very quick run through to show you what the system can do. We're automating preventative healthcare for best practice. In this screen, we're building a recipe. We have a manual recipe builder and an AI one. I'll show you in a moment. In this case, we're simply looking for RACGP active male patients, probably over a certain age, and the RACGP active, we've actually built a widget for you so you don't have to do this anymore, but this simply shows how easy it is to select patients who are male and have had more than 3 visits in 2 years. Now, we only expose to you the things that are relevant in these drop downs, so you don't need any technical know-how to do this. Once you've built a recipe, you can test it to get a count of the patients, and you can see here there's more than 8,000 patients in this database that satisfy that criteria. This is our template editor, our email template editor. I'm going to very quickly build a beautiful email template by inserting and resizing an image. I'm going to use a variable, in this case the patient's full name, to go out on the email, and I'm going to create a call to action button, give it the right color, and set up a link behind it, which will simply be book now on our patient booking system. Once I've created the template, I can preview it both on desktop and mobile, so I can see exactly what it's going to look like when the patient receives it. Now let's take a look at building an automation. Once we have a recipe and a template, we can build an automation very easily by selecting each of those and adding a schedule. For email, I'd suggest most of your recipes are going to be emailed daily. The first one will catch bulk patients that satisfy the criteria, but then following that, just a small number of patients will be captured each day and added to the automation. So PracticeMate truly is set and forget. And this is a quick look at our community screen. If you build a cool recipe, we'd love you to share it with the community. And obviously you can access recipes and automations that the community has built in here. Just looking at a recipe to see whether it fits, and obviously I can edit that and save my own copy. Here's the AI template builder, or recipe builder I should say. Simply ask the system what you want and it will build it for you. You can then tweak it manually, test it, and save it once you've got it right. The AI understands the whole database of BP. It doesn't have any contact with your patient data. It's simply building a query for you. A good place to tell you that we don't store any of your patient information at all. We simply work on it, and the data remains inside best practice. Whenever we touch anything, we're logging into the third-party patient notes so you can see the communications that PracticeMate has done. Recipe library out of the box gives you some low-hanging fruit, all of your immunizations, all of your health assessments, screening for cervical cancer, for lung cancer, for mammograms, etc. Obviously you can broadcast to all patients easily as well if you want to do that. They're not turned on, but they're available to you to get an immediate return on your investment and start giving your patient clinically relevant communications proactively.